Fail to post tweet. But am I live though? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. Welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. And I want to see whether I'm live first of all. So if you can hear me, please send a message on the chat box just so that we can see what's going on. I know I've been missing for a while, and you all know that we've been having elections and stuff like that. So election has been there, and election is what we talk about today. In today's edition, we want to talk about what happens at the elections. Now, I've not been here for a minute. Did you guys miss me? I'm just... What happens at... Oh, that's nice. Good. So when you're electing someone, the word is... A vote is called Ombulu. Ombulu. That's a vote. Ombulu. So when you want to say, I am going to vote, then in Luo you would say, Adi luto ombulu. Adi luto ombulu. I'm going to vote. Adi luto ombulu. Whom are you going to vote for? Whom are you going to vote for? In Luo you would say, Idi goyo ombulu ne nga. Idi goyo ombulu ne nga. Idi goyo ombulu ne nga. Whom are you gonna vote for? I am going So as a candidate X, I would say I'm going to vote for Otieno. Then you say Adi goyo ombulu ne Otieno. Adi goyo ombulu ne Otieno. So if you're just joining us, we have just talked about voting, and voting, the act of voting, is called luto ombulu or goyo ombulu. Now, let me explain the difference between luto ombulu and goyo ombulu. When you say luto ombulu, that is the act of casting the vote. You see the ballot box, the ballot is usually cast inside a box. So when you're casting it in the box, at the time of casting, then you say a luto ombulu. Okay? When you're actually casting it, you say a luto ombulu. So luto is when you drop it into the box, because luto, the act of luto is the act of dropping. So when you say adi luto ombulu, it means I'm actually going to drop it inside the ballot box. But if you say adi goyo ombulu, is just the general act of voting. The act of voting. So for example, if the voting requires that people just stand in a line and say the longest line wins, or what we used to call the Mlolongo system, then in that case, you're just going to goyo Ombulu. So someone who is going to goyo Ombulu is going to just maybe stand in the line, maybe it's not secret ballot, but if it's a secret ballot, idi luto Ombulu. I hope this gives you an idea of what luto Ombulu and goyo Ombulu is all about. Now, after the vote, you can ask someone whether their candidate won. So this is how you ask, did your candidate win? Sorry. Hey, Kisongo. So to ask whether someone's candidate won, you'll ask, be ngati ne oyombo. Be ngati ne oyombo. Be ngati ne oyombo. Did your candidate win? Be ngati ne oyombo. So the response, of course, depends on whether they were beaten or if they won. Now I want to give the two responses down here, just so that we can take both of them. I hope I can be visible still. Ne oyombo. Okay. Yes. She won. Now, if it's she won, you say ne oyombo. Or if they did not win, no, they did not win, then you would say oyo, 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 ne oyombe. So ne oyombo means she or he won, but ne oyombe means she or he was beaten in the election. But if you have a dispute and you claim that you were rigged out, then there is a sentence you would say ne omaye e Ombulu. Ne omaye e Ombulu no. So, ne omaye e Ombulu no means my candidate was rigged in that balloting, in that voting. Ne omaye e Ombulu no. My candidate was rigged in that voting. Or if your candidate participated but it was not fair, you'd say the voting was not fair. Ombulu no ne ok odhi e yo makare. Ombulu no ne ok odhi e yo makare. So that's a short video just to show you how to work with the word vote or the word Ombulu. I hope you enjoy the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I think so far we are at 6,900 subscribers, and we had purposed to get to 10,000 this year. It's already August. Guys, please, if you know someone who knows someone who knows someone who has not subscribed, please let them subscribe so that we can be able to get to our level of 10,000 subscribers. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on next time. Bye-bye.